In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Agoda Cash to book hotels. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have accumulated Agoda Cash from booking certain stays, flights, or anything of the sort in Agoda, you will be able to use the Agoda Cash accumulated to book different hotels. So as you can see, when you browse through your choices, you should be able to find information regarding Agoda Cash and Agoda Preferred. These include options that allow you to get cashback rewards and, most importantly, Agoda Cash. You will also notice that there is a filter related to paying with Agoda Cash. Before I teach you how to actually use this filter and book your next hotel or stay through Agoda with Agoda Cash, you can check how much you have by clicking on your name at the top right corner of the screen and then selecting Agoda Cash from the drop-down menu. This will take you to this page where you can see the total available balance that you have in Agoda Cash. In here, you also have the option to click Start Earning and browse through specific accommodations that they recommend. So all that you have to do is go over to the Agoda Preferred page and browse through all of the options to make sure you are earning as many Agoda Cash as possible. But after you know that you have enough and you want to start looking at the options to book with Agoda Cash, all that you have to do is select this filter when you go over to the result page. Pay with Agoda Cash. When you select this filter, all of the results that are displayed will allow you to pay using the Agoda Cash accumulated. So click on any of them and proceed to checkout. As long as you have the necessary amount of Agoda Cash, when you book any of the hotels stays listed there, you will be able to choose to use your Agoda Cash to get a discount. So make sure that you are signed in to your account, and it is going to be an option in this page as long as you have enough to get a big discount. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Agoda Cash to book hotel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.